In this video, I want to show you how to download and install latest version of Blender on PC. Open your browser and search for Blender Download. Click on this link to open Blender homepage. This is the latest Blender as at the time doing this video. To download for Windows, click on this link. To download for other OS, click here. For me, I want to download for Windows, so I will click here. The download should start automatically. If it did not start automatically, then you can download manually from here. You may wish to support Blender by donating. The download did not start automatically, so let it download it manually from here. Click on this link to download. The download has started, and it will take some minutes to finish. After downloading, locate the file on your PC. To install it, just double-click the installer. Click on Run. Click on Next. Specify your preferred location and click on Next. Then click on Install. The installation will take few minutes. The installation is completed. Click on Finish. Here is the shortcut of Blender on the desktop. Open and enjoy it. Thank you for watching.